So now we need to add a completely new category for shirt sizes. We can do that by going under the products and selecting categories. This page will have all of the different categories or vocabularies, you'll sometimes hear it called. So to add one, you just click the button. And again, we're going to want to call this one shirt size. We could provide a description if we wanted. We don't need to here. And then we just start building it out according to some of the options.
And most of these extra options you're not going to need. So we can leave all of them at the default, but just know that you have a lot of flexibility here. So we're going to go ahead and click Save. And you now have your shirt size.
So once the shirt size is added, then we just need to add the variations of the shirt size, or the options would be another way to look at it. So we're going to add 5 different shirt sizes from small to extra large, or extra large, excuse me. So that's what we'll do now.
And you could spell out small if you wanted to, or you can use the abbreviated SML. So we're going to use the abbreviations, but of course it's your choice. This is going to be how you want the actual user or the purchaser of the product to see it. So now we're on XL, and then we'll have one more for double XL. And you could always give each one a description, but in most cases you might not have to. In this case, we definitely don't have to. And if you come back to this list menu item after that, you'll see all of the products are listed. It's not in the order that we probably want, so let's go ahead and drag and rearrange those to go from small to double XL.
So then once that's done, now we'll be able to create our shirt product and then associate these different attributes with them, and that's what we're going to handle in the next video.
But before we do, we're going to make sure we actually have to be able to specify or tie that shirt size attribute to our shirt product type. So we need to come in here and add a new field. So when you are adding a field, you're going to be able to, or when you're adding a product, you're going to be able to specify what shirt size that is. So you're going to add a product for a small shirt, for a medium shirt, and for a large shirt. So we just call this, shirt size. And you want to select term reference in this option, because you are actually referencing one of those terms. That's small, medium, large. Those are terms. You can have a select list is what we're going to use, and we will click Save. Here you need to specify the vocabulary. You can click shirt size. This is going to be required. We do not want any help text. We don't want a default value. The only important thing that we're going to change is this attribute field settings. And this is really important. If you don't check this box, it's just not going to work the way you want to, and you're going to be wondering why things don't work the correct way. So what this allows you to do is it says it enable this field to function as an attribute field on Add to Cart forms. This means when you go to the product page and you are looking at shirts, you're going to have a drop down right on that page to select the size. And you want this to be a select list. You could give it the title that you want the users of your site to see, and then we're going to leave everything else the same and hit Save.